Hey guys, this is Harman Powar with the Luxury Listing Group. Today I have a special guest, Kush Dhaliwal from Bynoe. She's a mortgage specialist here. I had a few questions for her in regards to the CMHC new rules and a few other mortgage questions, so I thought I'd join her today. Welcome, Kush.
Thank you.
Kush, could you tell us the difference between total debt servicing and gross debt servicing?
Total debt servicing means that it includes your mortgage payments, it includes your heat, anything to do with your living cost.
Okay.
Right? So the heat, the payments on your property, the property taxes,
Right.
any expenses to do with your living cost will be included in the TDS, which is the total debt servicing.
Right. What about our gross debt servicing?
Your living expenses plus anything else, which means your car payments, your line of credits, your credit cards, any debts outside.
Perfect.
With how are they aligning towards your income.
So Kush, I have some clients that come from overseas. I've served from Dubai, from Brazil now as well. For some of my clients, they don't have a PR status in Canada, but they are here on a work permit. Are they eligible to purchase a home with less than 20% down?